Hello everyone, this is the new video by Flash Trade One where you can see that I'm updating one of the live account. On the screen you can see that 100k dollars were deposited on this account on 3rd of December 2020 with first order ID of 40606015. So the deposit of 100k was made on 3rd of December. Today it's 2nd of March and already 3 months has been done on this account. We'll see that what profit has been made on this account. So here the total profit made on the account is 113k, and this has been made in 3 months period of time. Here we are placing the trades in CAD related pair, JPY related pair, Euro related pair, GBP related pair, then CHF related pairs. Here also the trading is been done with holding strategy. We place the trade as per our support, demand and trend indicator shows the indication of either buy or sell, and we'll check the previous updates of this account which was made on 22nd of February 2021. So 10 days are completed on this account, and in 10 days the profit of 10,000 has been increased on this account, and previous time there was the profit of 103. As of now it is of 113. In all the 11 updates you can check the first order ID that we have just verified, and you can confirm that the account that I'm showing as of now and the account I've shown in previous updates, all of them are same. Now we'll check the statement of the account where you can see that the total trades being placed on the account is 2983. The profit trades are 1900 and loss trades are 1000, creating the real accuracy of the account 65.6 and loss accuracy 34.3. Average profit is 137.7, average loss is 152.9. So using this data we can find that the break even of the account is 52.6 and risk reward is 1:0.9. and if we check or if we compare it with previous update, then if we compare it with this previous update, then we'll see that here the real accuracy has been decreased and break even has been increased. But though we have been able to make the profit of $10,000 on this account in time period of 10 days, and this includes the holidays or weekend holidays, risk reward is 1:1. It was previous time, as of now it is 1:0.9, so it has been decreased. Total profit we have seen it's of $113. If we see the monthly profit, then it comes out to be 37,000, and each day profit to be 1300 to 1500 on this account. Here real accuracy must be increased, break even must be increased, and risk reward must be maintained or increased. But here in all of these three, the things has been gone in opposite direction. So we'll try in this account in order to improve all these three things so that we can make the profit or a higher profit on this account, and we can, as of now we have made the 1k profit in 10 days, means that every day 1k profit. If we'll increase these three things on the account, then maybe we would be able to make even $1,500 or $2,000 profit on this account every day. So, and also let us check the video where we have shown that account whose risk is 3 to 5% and whose reward is 30 to 50% is traded with the conservative risk, and we have seen just as of now that We are making 35 to 40% reward on this account, and as this account is of 100k, the lot size used on this account is 1 to 2 lots maximum. So you can also gain the same kind of profit in this account as we are doing here. The holding trades, the trades placed over here are not scalping, so this strategy can be applied on any account, on any capital, on any broker. So you any trader, small or big or medium, can be part of this strategy. Hope this strategy will help you to make the profit in your account, and we'll meet in the next update of the same account. Until that, goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.